Viewers, two countries and one nation. Yes, this is pure affection, high level of confidence, enough trust and strong faith among each other. That's why Pakistan and Turkey always considered as one nation. Due to this mutual trust, we are underpinned with a robust defense relations. From Shaheed PNS Ghazi to T-37 trainer aircraft for Pakistan Air Force, from Milgen corvettes for Pakistan Navy to 5th generation fighter jet aircraft, and from armed drones to space collaboration. Pakistan and Turkey cooperating in every sphere of defense arena and related technologies. Viewers, as you all know that Pakistan and Turkey are two important players in their regions and also at the global arena. Defense collaboration and joint defense production projects are very vital for both countries' security and stability. That's why both countries are collaborating with each other to discuss all these important aspects of Pakistan-Turkiye defense cooperation. We have in our studios Dr. Zia Shamsi. He is the senior analyst. Most welcome to you, sir. Mr. Suhail Sajid, he is the country head of Turkiye Aerospace Industries in Pakistan. So most welcome to you, sir, as well. And Rear Admiral Muazzam Ilyas. So first of all, it is important to discuss related to Pakistan-Turkiye defense cooperation, Dr. Zia Sahab, that how it is very unique among each other and what is the vitality of this security aspect for both the countries.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you, Faisal. Very important discussion. As you already said in your intro, that these are two countries, one nation. So when the nations react or act within themselves, then the outcome is also celebrated. So if Pakistan and Turkey are collaborating on any aspect, that means its outcome will be mutually beneficial, and that is what the outcome is, alhamdulillah. Over the past 75 years that we have the relationship with each other, I think Pakistan and Turkey relationship has come a long way, and it continues to get strengthened with every passing day, every passing event and every passing incident. Because if you want to evaluate this relationship on certain elements, these may be on historical basis, these may be the political cooperation, these may be economic cooperation, these may be cultural cooperation, and this may even be the defense cooperation that we are discussing. So once the baseline is settled that yes, there are these two countries who have deep relations and deep cooperation in every walk of life, ideology, history. Turkish stand on Palestine and Kashmir, and Pakistan's stand on Cyprus. So we have n number of avenues where we have excellent and amazing chemistry.
We are talking about the collaboration between two air forces and also the collaboration on the 5th generation fighter jet. How do you see that where Pakistan and Turkey stands right now?
Yeah, I think Turkish 5th generation fighter jet, which will be using stealth technology also, is a very advanced stage, and perhaps by end of the year they are going to do the flight test as well. And they have offered Pakistan Air Force to join in, and PAF has the requisite experience of manufacturing and developing JF-17 Thunder with the Chinese. So basically, as the honorable guest said, that Turkish companies do not come to Pakistan to sell their goods, sell their items.
Like other countries.
Yes, they come to collaborate with us. Okay? Why? Because of the deep sense of relationship that the two countries have.
They always
As I said,
intend to enhance our capabilities and
absolutely.
capacity.
As I said, that the chemistry that these two nations have, there is no other country with which Pakistanis people to people have this kind of chemistry.
Well taken. Dr. Shamsi, when we are talking about technology, so Pakistan and Turkey both are collaborating not only in the different huge projects, but also like cruise missiles, like Anka drones and all other technologies. So how do you see that aspect of defense collaboration and defense production?
Yeah, this is very important because some of the emerging technologies do not require a very large scale infrastructure. The most important thing that you need to absorb the technology is, number one, is your vision.
That is very important.
That is very important.
That is
to go into defense production, which is
that
not
is in
something
reality the backbone of any
absolutely.
project.
Then you need to be determined that you want to do it.
Obviously.
Okay, and then I've done some research on this. Then you are looking for a knowledge through research. Okay, and then you need to have talent, which we have in abundance. All right, and obviously then you need funds, you need some infrastructure, and you need some material. But all of this has to be led by a strong political will. In this particular case, your chief of air staff is providing that political will.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay?
That is very
and
important.
he is the driving force behind what Sohail Saab mentioned, NASTP.
Yes.
National Aerospace Science and Technology Park.
Yes.
NASTP is going to be a game changer for Pakistan's defense production, as has been PAC Kamra, as has been Air Weapon Complex, as has been Pakistan Precision Engineering Complex in the south, as has been POF Ordnance Factories.
All defense production
all defense
industries and
production
companies are the part
this
of that.
one is
Yes.
going to change everything. And who is the most collaborative nation here? Turkey.
Definitely.
Turkish number of companies are there in NASTP, and NASTP has developed certain clusters. R&D cluster is on one side, cyber cluster, IT cluster, design, R&D, everything under one roof.
Dr. Shamsi, when we are talking about collaboration between both the countries, in terrorism domain, as Sohail rightly mentioned, that Pakistan needs a lot of collaboration from the international community, particularly the countries like China and Turkey. So how do you see that collaboration, because Pakistan fighting a very hard war against terrorism?
Yeah, I think Sohail Saab has just answered you, that a certain equipment that we need to fight terrorism is somehow not available, or it is denied to Pakistan. But Turkey, realizing that it is needed by Pakistan, is developing an alternate all by itself, isn't it? I mean, this is the chemistry that I have been talking about, that the two nations have between them. Why? Turkey has the experience, Turkey has the technology, Turkey has the infrastructure. Pakistan has the talent, Pakistan has the will, and Pakistan needs it. So when these 2-3 things join together and we come onto a common interest, which is not for any means, but it is creating a way towards the side which is for common interest of both. Turkey is also fighting terrorism.
Definitely.
For a very long time.
Yes.
Pakistan is also fighting terrorism. So Turkey realizes that how much it takes to fight terrorism, and it is not easy. And that is why the Turkey's support for our defense equipment, for our political ideology, it is immensely important, especially in the evolving situation where non-state actors are becoming very powerful now, because the different stakeholders, as Sohail Saab said, that the neighbors also playing their part, isn't it? The same is happening against Turkey also. There are so many countries who are supporting elements against Turkey. So we both need to support each other because the agenda is common.
Okay, why not, please.
Because this is a very important point and Sohail Saab has just pointed it out. Pakistan Air Force, Alhamdulillah, is always ahead of time as far as technology and training is concerned.
No doubt about that.
PAF has recently established a cyber command and it is developing its capacity, capability, not only to defend but to carry out counteroffensive.
Well elaborated.